Okay, start with our question. Session with 38, sum 38, which will remain. So 31, 31, sorry, 38, modulus of, find the modulus of root 2i minus 2i. Okay, now is equal to first we want to find out the modulus of this part. Okay, first simplify. Plus simplifying, after that we find the modulus. So first we take our given term, which is root 2i minus of 2i, again root of 2i minus, I can write it as 2i into I square. So it becomes root 2i minus I square comes from the square root. So it becomes I root 2i. Now root 2i and root 2i commoning both parts. So we are taking out as a common 1 minus I. First we find out the value of root I. I can write it as this term as root 2 into root I 1 minus I. First I find out the value of root I. Okay. So root of I is equal to, as we know, what is the value of root I? A plus IB. A plus IB. A plus IB. Now squaring on both sides. So I becomes I plus IB whole square. Therefore, I is equal to A square plus 2AB, 2ABI plus B square. Okay. So क्या आ जाएगा अब हमारा? This one is our value of I. Now, first we find out the value of I. So it becomes, now comparing real part and imaginary part. Therefore, this one is first, I is equal to A square plus B square plus 2ABI. So 0. The real part is 0 plus I is equal to A square plus B square plus 2ABI. Got it? ये आ जाएगा हमारा. ओके, यहाँ पे वन मिस्टेक है. I स्क्वायर रह गया ना हमारा. Plus I square into B square. So I square becomes minus 1. So A square minus B square. Same way, A square minus B square. Okay. Now comparing real part and imaginary part. So by comparing By comparing, we get a square minus b square is equal to 0 and 2ab is equal to 1. Got it? Now the clear? Okay. Therefore, a square is equal to b square. A square is equal to b square. Taking square root on both sides. Therefore, a is equal to plus or minus b. Plus or minus b. Got it? Whenever we write a square root at that time, you will write a both term, negative as well as positive. And AB is equal to 1 upon 2. AB is equal to 1 upon 2. First, we try to find out the value of root I. Which one we substitute in equation 1. Okay. After that, we find the modulus. Modulus को पता है z is equal to a plus I b modulus of a square plus root of a square plus b square. Okay. So now substitute. Therefore, a plus or minus b. Up first we put value of a is equal to positive b. So it becomes b is equal to a. A into a is equal to 1 upon 2. Therefore, a square is equal to 1 by 2. Therefore, a is equal to 1 upon root 2. 1 upon root 2 for positive b. For positive part of b. Okay. So, our a becomes 1 upon root 2. So, b becomes also 1 upon root 2. Therefore, b is equal to also 1 upon root 2. We have to find out the value for a and b for positive value. Okay, now substitute this one. Now substitute this one in here. So value of root I is therefore equation 2. So substitute a and b in equation 2. Therefore, root of I is equal to 1 upon root 2 plus I 1 upon root 2. This one is our value of root I. Root I. Okay. So root I taking out as a common. 1 upon root 2 is taking out as a common. So 1 upon I. This one is our equation 3. Equation 3. Now put value of root I in equation 1. We get क्या आ जाएगा हमारा root 2 into value of root I, which is 1 upon root 2, 1 plus I into 1 minus I into 1 minus I. Root 2 cancel out each other. So it becomes 1 plus I into 1 minus I. So 1 square minus I square. So 1 plus 1 is 2. Is 2. Directly your value is 2. Your value is 2. Get the simplification. We find out our value is 2. Please reply. Please reply. Okay, clear. Okay. Please see the sum carefully. पर ये मॉड्यूलस की डायरेक्ट वैल्यू आ गई हमारी a प्लस आई भी लेके। हाँ okay, now start with 40, 41 are done. Now start with 42. 42. Also, one questions also remain left. Which one? I think already one questions are left. वो हमने बाद में करवाएंगे ऐसा बोला था। हाँ 34. 34. 34. 34. Okay. The argument of हाँ, 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 1 plus I root 3. Okay. So how we find out argument? How we find out argument? Starving. Okay, एक minute. Yes, Jainis, unmute yourself and tell.
Ma'am, by finding cos theta and value of cos theta and sin theta.
First step is
Cos theta is equals to x by r.
but first we need to simplify this one. Okay.
Yes,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
Yes.
into I minus 1 minus I root 3 upon 1 minus I root 3.
Yes. First, we try to reduce our denominator into normal form. Okay. Okay. Now, 1 minus I root 3, 1 plus I root 3 into 1 minus I root 3 upon 1 minus I root 3. So, now, multiplying this and this term, so it's 1 minus I root 3 whole square upon 1 minus 1 square, yani 1, or it becomes I square into 3. So is equal to 1 minus 2 root 3I minus plus I square 3 upon 1 plus 3. So now it becomes 1 minus 3 minus 2 minus 2 root 3I upon 4. So it becomes 1 minus 1 minus root 3I upon 2. This one is your simplification. This one is your Z. Therefore, Z is equal to minus root 3I upon 2. Okay, what is your X? Therefore, X is equal to minus 1 by 2 and Y is equal to minus root 3 by 2. This is our X and Y. We want to find out our argument. Okay, so first find out the alpha. So directly we take cos of alpha is equal to mod of X upon R. So first we need to find out our R. Okay, so how to find out R? Modulus of Z. A square plus B square. समझ में आ रहा है? समझ में आ रहा है? तो first we find out our R. Yes, R is equal to modulus of Z is equal to under root. क्या आ जाएगा? 1/4 minus 1/2 square plus minus √3/2 square. So it becomes 1/4 plus 3/4. Okay, so it becomes 1/4/4. So R is equal to 1. Got it? Now cos of alpha mod x upon R is equal to 1/2 and sin alpha mod of y upon R, it becomes √3/2. Therefore, your alpha is cos की value 1/2, sin is 1√3/2. What is your alpha? 60. That means pi/3 is equal to, sorry, pi/3. pi/3. So 60. They ask us radian form. So which is D, option D, 60. Option D, 60. Got it? Clear all of you? Please reply.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, it would be more easy if we find by 10. So can we find it by 10?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
10 alpha.
You
Yes,
can do
ma'am.
it. You can do it. Okay. Okay. Yes. 39. 39. ये हमने करवाया था JEE के पेपर में, है ना? So
Yes, ma'am.
okay. If you are still unable to solve these questions, meet after these sessions. I'll solve it personally. Okay. What's your name? Teach. Okay. है ना? So go for 42. 42. 42. Roots of x square. Roots of x square plus 2 is equal to 0 is. Okay. So how to find out root of x square? Roots. Anyone raise your hand. Roots कैसे find out करते हैं? How to find out roots? Yes, look, unmute yourself.
Ma'am, we can find by d is equal to b square minus 4ac. Discriminant
Yes,
formula.
Yes. You are
But
right.
in this we can do x square is equal to minus 2 and then we take I and then we can.
Yes. Okay. समझ में आ रहा है? No need to find out here. No need to use discriminant formula. D square is equal to. We can do it here directly. कैसे? Yes. X
Plus or
square
minus √2.
plus 2 is equal to 0. Therefore, x square is equal to minus 2. In general, other than complex number, we are not able to find the roots of square or negative numbers. But here we write it as x square is equal to 2 into I square. Minus 1 is write it as I square. Therefore, x is equal to √2i. √2i. Got it? तो ऑप्शन क्या है आपका? प्लस और माइनस √2i. सॉरी, जैसे हम प्लस और माइनस √2i, तो विच इज योर ऑप्शन डी, ऑप्शन डी. Okay, now go for 43, 43, 43. Again, roots of root of y x square is equal to 0. Again, we use our discriminant formula. D square is equal to, sorry, D is equal to B square minus 4AC. Okay, so first, what is our A? What is our A? Here, A is equal to √5, B is equal to 1, C is equal to √5. Therefore, D is equal to B square minus 4AC is equal to 1 minus √5 into √5 into 4. So it becomes 1 minus 5 4s are 20. So minus 19. Minus 19, which is less than 0. Which is less than 0. So, therefore, root of x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of d upon 2a. So what is our minus 1 plus or minus, क्या आ जाएगा हमारा 19i square. So 19i लिखेंगे ना हम लोग. Yes, √19. So minus 19 upon 2a. So what is a? √5. So it becomes minus 1 plus or minus √19i upon 2√5. Option C. Okay, C. Clear, all of you? Okay. Now, okay, okay. Now, go for 44. 44. Again, root. (44) roots of x square plus x by √2 plus 1 is equal to 0. How to find out? First, we are taking LCM of whole equation. This one is more easy. So, √2 x square plus x plus √2 is equal to 0. Now, this one is your same question of same as 43. Okay, so solve it yourself. Okay. Now go for 45. Go for 45. Same. क्या करवाना है? 44. 44 का देख लेते एक बार. ओके. 44. Sorry, 45. 45. Roots of 3x square 20 by 3 is equal to 0. Okay. So again, here A is equal to 3, B is equal to -4, C is equal to 20 by 3. Okay. So first find out our discriminant. D is equal to B square minus 4AC, 16 minus 4, 3, 20 upon 3, 3 gets cancelled, 16 minus 60 क्या आएगा? 60 64. Okay. Minus 64 less than 0. Again minus आएगा. So again your D is less than 0. Therefore root of x is equal to minus b plus or minus root d upon 2a. So minus, what is your b? Minus minus 4 plus or minus again minus 64 upon 2 into 3. So therefore x, therefore x is equal to 4 plus or minus 8i upon 6. Therefore x is equal to 2 taking out as a common. So क्या आएगा हमारा 2 plus or minus 4i upon 3. Option C. Okay, clear all of you? Clear? Now go for 46. Go for 46. 46. What we want to find out? Solution of modulus of z minus 4 less than z minus 2. Okay. So z minus 2. First is given by. So first substitute. As I said earlier, whenever you saw any value of z, put z is equal to x plus iy. So therefore that implies x plus iy minus 4 less than x plus iy minus 2. Real part and imaginary part separate out individually. So that implies x minus 4 plus iy less than x minus 2 plus iy. That implies ये क्या आ जाएगा हमारा modulus of real part and imaginary part. So it becomes roots of a square plus x square plus y square. Okay. So we don't need to write a root. Directly लिख देते हैं. If you take square on both sides, so square roots are removed. So x minus 4 whole square y square less than x minus 2 square. Sorry, I square आएगा ना? No. X minus 4 whole square plus y square, x minus 2 square plus y square. So y square cancel out each other. That implies x square minus 8x plus 16 less than x square minus 4x plus 4 x square cancel out each other. That implies, suppose 4x comes to this side, it becomes minus 4x less than 16 going to this side, it becomes minus 12. That implies sign remove हो जाएगी हमारी. So x is, whenever sign is change, तो बीच की साइन क्या आएगी आपकी, चेंज आएगी या नहीं आएगी? यस यस. सो it becomes 4x greater than 12. That implies x is greater than 3. Therefore, option में ये नहीं दिया है. Option में क्या दिया है? Real part of z. This one is only a real part. So real part of z is greater than 3. Therefore, real part of z is greater than 3, which is your option C. Okay. Now, go for 47. 47. The smallest positive integer n for, sorry, बीच में रह गया है 47. Modulus of z minus 1 whole square. Z minus 1 whole square is equal to modulus of z square plus 1. Then z lies on blank in the Argand diagram. Okay. So yes, again you have a z. So first put the value of x plus y. x i y रखते हो या फिर a और b रखते हो आप? x y रखते हो ना? Okay.
XY.
Okay. Therefore, again, start with your sum with putting value of z, x plus iy minus 1 whole square, x plus iy whole square plus 1. That implies, again separate out real part and imaginary part is equal to x plus iy whole square plus 1. कैसे करोगे आप बताओ? फर्स्ट मॉड्यूलस है और उसके ऊपर क्या है आपका? स्क्वायर. उसके ऊपर भी क्या है आपका? स्क्वायर. तो कैसे करोगे? नहीं. Again, yes.
मैम जो RHS मॉड्यूलस से नए LHS पर ले गई थी.
Remove root sign. Yes, exactly. Good. Unmute yourself.
यस मैम.
हाँ, कैसे बताओ?
मैम जो मॉड्यूलस में हम रूट ए स्क्वायर प्लस बी स्क्वायर लेते हैं ना, उसमें
हाँ, हाँ,
हम
हाँ.
रूट निकाल देंगे.
हाँ. सॉरी. तो रूट निकाल देंगे. यस, एग्जैक्टली वैसे ही करना है. कैसे आएगा हमारा? x माइनस 1 स्क्वायर प्लस वाई स्क्वायर एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस वाई स्क्वायर प्लस 1. गॉट इट? सेम वे में, सेम वे, no change. Okay, so again your y square cancel out. Again your y square cancel out. It becomes x square minus 2x plus 1 is equal to x square plus 1. Again 1 x square cancel out. So minus 2x is equal to, बचेगा क्या? 0 और 1? 0, because we are एडिशन और सब्ट्रैक्शन में कट किया है. अगर मल्टीप्लिकेशन और डिवीजन में कट किया होता तो 1. Okay, the major mistake is here. Put 0. Therefore, value of x is 0. Value of x is 0. It means your real part is 0. All real part is 0. So if you draw your argon diagram, so only y-axis, because for any value of y, you get your x is 0. If you draw in the diagram, you get y-axis only. Therefore, y-axis. Any doubt? Clear all of you? Please reply. Please reply in chat. Okay. Okay. So, next one. Next, 48. The smallest value, smallest positive integer, n for 48. 48. Smallest positive integer n for 1 plus I raised to 2n is equal to 1 minus I raised to 2n. We want to find out the value of n, which is smallest. First, as we know, therefore, इसको हम ऐसे लिख सकते हैं 1 plus I whole square. Sorry. And all square. 1 minus I n और स्क्वायर ऐसे लिख सकते हैं. ओके, अब वो दोनों साइड स्क्वायर है तो स्क्वायर कैंसिल हो जाएगा. स्क्वायर, इफ यू टेक अ स्क्वायर रूट ऑन बोथ साइड, the square is automatically cancelled. So it becomes 1 plus I. Also, you know, suppose x is equal to a and y is equal to a. So ये क्या आ जाएगा? ऐसे लिख सकते हैं, बता. This one is correct or not? यहाँ से शुरू से ही हमने गलत कर दिया. पहले ही वाला सही सही था. ये नहीं लिख सकते because suppose if you take 2 raised to 3 and 3 raised to 3, both are different. If base are same, then powers are equal. Suppose समझ में आ रहा है, तब आप कुछ ना कुछ कर सकते हो. ओके, तो फर्स्ट यहाँ पे हम ऐसे ही लिखते हैं बिकॉज अगर हमने ये लिखा तो सिंप्लीफिकेशन पॉसिबल नहीं आएगा. सो n और 2 n सॉरी 2 और n 2 and 2 n. So simplification becomes simplification क्या आ जाएगा? 1 plus 2i plus I square raised to n 1 minus 2i plus I square raised to n. Therefore, same 1 and I square cancel out each other. So 2i raised to n is equal to same manner में 1 and I square both are cancel out each other. So minus 2i whole raised to n. Now we take value of n. When you get the same value, suppose if you take smallest value of n, और n कहाँ से लेना है हमको? Smallest positive integer only. Positive integer only. यानी n में से लेना है positive integer only. So our positive integer start from 1.
1.
If you take n is equal to 1, let n is equal to 1. So you got 2i is equal to minus 2i. Both are equal or not? Not. समझ में आ रहा है? Now take n is equal to 2. So it becomes 2i raised to 2 is equal to minus 2i raised to 2. So it becomes 4i square into again 4i square. Therefore, minus 4 is equal to minus 4. You got n is equal to 2 for equal values. Okay. So your smallest integer, smallest positive integer is 2. Option C. Got it? Everyone clear? Please reply.
Ma'am, clear.
Okay. Okay. Now go for
Bhavika madam,
yes, sir.
sorry to interrupt you madam.
हाँ,
Somehow I could manage and I was just checking out आपने जो पहले भी किया था उससे भी possible है, just to intimate all the students. आपने जो
Okay.
पहले किया था ना वो भी possible है मैडम.
Okay.
That is the 1 plus I raised to n का square and 1 minus I raised to n का square and then taking square root both sides. अगर बाजू में आप लिख सकते हैं मैडम तो we can do that.
ओके हाँ समझ में आ गया 1 प्लस आई होल रेज टू एन 1 माइनस आई होल रेज टू एन स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ बोथ साइड नाउ टेकिंग द वैल्यू ऑफ एन इज इक्वल टू 1 एंड 2 वही ना सर
डायरेक्टली वो भी कर सकते हैं या फिर मैडम ये 1 माइनस आई द होल रेज टू एन जो है ना उसको आप
हाँ।
नीचे भेज दीजिए तो दिस विल बिकम 1 प्लस आई अपॉन 1 माइनस आई द होल रेज टू एन
ओके
इक्वल्स टू 1.
1
अभी ये पूरे को द होल ले लीजिए 1 प्लस आई अपॉन 1 माइनस आई द होल रेज टू एन एंड देन रेशनलाइज.
ओके 1 प्लस आई 1 माइनस आई इज इक्वल टू 1
द होल रेज टू एन एंड अंदर जो है ना रेशनलाइज कर दीजिए.
ओके तो कॉन्जुगेट लेके
हाँ
okay so 1 plus I whole square upon 1 minus I square is equal to 1 therefore it becomes 1 again ऊपर आ जाएगा हमारा 2i upon 2 raised to n is equal to 1 therefore it becomes I raised to n is equal to 1 correct sir
बराबर है मैडम. And smallest possible value for I raised to n equals to 1 will be n equals to 4.
हाँ n is equal to 4 and if you take n is equal to 4
Yes, madam.
okay but 4 is in our option हाँ सर लेकिन स्मॉलेस्ट वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करनी है
हाँ मैडम लेकिन मतलब with the options available n equals to 4 नहीं है ना उसमें शायद.
है
There is
तो n equals to 4 is the smallest value madam.
so according to this method we got 2 देख लीजिए आप this one is our first method and this one is our second both are correct हाँ सिर्फ दोनों में values are different for both the method
बराबर है मैडम. n equals to यहाँ पे भी ऑप्शन से ही आप ले रहे थे ना फर्स्ट वाले मेथड में.
हाँ
ideally when we do these sums, we do
हाँ.
it this way. ये जो
या
हमने
ये भी
second में
करेक्ट ही है. हाँ सही है.
हम्म।
इसमें भी कुछ गलत नहीं आ रहा है.
इसमें कैसा है कि I square जो होगा ना वो -1 होगा,
हाँ.
इसीलिए मैडम.
अभी
Okay, madam, you-
फर्स्ट वन में जाने देते हैं,
Yes.
है ना? ओके. यस. कॉन्जुगेट से ओके वही आएगा. ओके. सो गो फॉर फर्स्ट मेथड. This second method is also correct, but according to option, we do our first method. Okay. Now, 49. 49. Z is equal to, if Z is equal to A plus IB, 2 into modulus of Z minus 1 is equal to modulus of Z minus 2, then 3 A square plus B square is equal to blank. ये find out करना है. Again same way. First replace Z with A plus IB. They are given A plus IB minus 1 is equal to A plus IB minus 2. Again, real part and imaginary part. Okay. Therefore, again, A square plus B square. So according to that, we get A minus 1 whole square plus B square into A minus 2 whole square plus B square. Therefore, 2A square minus 2A plus 1 plus B square is equal to A square minus 4A plus 4 plus B square. Therefore, multiply with 2. So 2A square minus 4A plus 2 plus 2B square is equal to A square minus 4A plus 4 plus B square. Therefore, देखो 2A square and A square इस साइड आ जाएगा. So it becomes A square. So again 2B square plus B square. So plus B square, taking this one is this side. So B square is equal to 4A gets cancelled minus 2. कुछ गलत है. Minus 2. What's your answer? Sorry. Huh? So plus 2 आएगा ना? Plus 2. Okay. Okay, we want 3A square plus B square. Therefore, 3A square plus B square 6. कुछ गलत किया है हमने? कहीं पे तो गलत है. A हमारा कट हो गया. A minus 2. देखो यस, यहाँ पे गलत, here is 2a 2, so हाँ नहीं 2 2 4 ही आता है ना 4a, एक मिनट क्या मिस्टेक है देख लेते हैं। a square plus b square minus b square 4a,
एक्सक्यूज मी मैडम,
yes sir,
थर्ड स्टेप जो है उसमें रूट लिखिए ना मैडम, रूट ऑफ a minus 1 the whole square plus b square, and then when you square it आगे जो 2 है वो 4 हो जाएगा.
yes yes
You can carry on मैम.
yes sir, समझ में आया हमारी मिस्टेक कहाँ हुई। स्क्वायर हम लोगों ने क्या किया, जैसे हर बार क्या करते हैं स्क्वायर रूट निकाल लेते हैं क्योंकि दोनों साइड स्क्वायर रूट होता है, बट हियर द कांस्टेंट नंबर इज हियर व्हिच इज 2, इफ यू टेक square on both sides, so 2 becomes 4, so सेम वे में सब जगह पे 4 आ जाएगा हमारा।
मैडम वो थर्ड स्टेप में 2 ही रहने दीजिए, नेक्स्ट स्टेप में 4 लिखिए.
Okay. 2. Now, again we write one step. Therefore, 4 into same step with square. नहीं, square root निकल जाएगा। ये समझ लेना आप लोग अपने हिसाब से। तो ये 4, so 4a square minus 8a plus 4 plus 4b square, और again ये cancel नहीं होगा। So now therefore 3a square plus 3b square, 4 gets cancelled, is equal to 4a. Therefore 3a square plus b square is equal to 4a, which is your option B. Okay, which is your option B. Now go for last one, 50. Last one, 50. Modulus of z 2z minus 3, modulus of 2z minus 3 is equal to modulus of 3z minus 2. 3z minus 2. Then find the value of modulus of z. वो हमको वही find out करना है, modulus of z. Same way में कैसे करेंगे? First z is replaced with ib, a plus ib. So 2 into a plus ib minus 3 is equal to 3. Sorry. Modulus of 3 a plus ib minus 2. Therefore, so it becomes 2a plus 2 ib minus 3 is equal to 3a plus 3 ib minus 2. Therefore, अब क्या करें? डायरेक्टली लिख देते हैं, लिखो ना, चलो 2a minus 3 plus I 2b is equal to 3a minus 2 plus I 3b. Up there is no constant number here, that's why directly square लिख देते हैं. So ये आ जाएगा हमारा 2a minus 3 whole square plus 2b whole square, 3a minus 2 whole square plus 3b square. Therefore, नाउ सिंप्लीफाई दिस वन, क्या आ जाएगा हमारा 4a स्क्वायर माइनस 12a प्लस 9 प्लस 4b स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू 9a स्क्वायर minus 12a plus 4 plus 3b square. So 12a gets cancelled. Therefore 4a square minus 4a square or 9a
Excuse me,
square.
madam.
Yes, sir.
Excuse me, madam. मैडम वो लास्ट टर्म जो है ना 3b द होल स्क्वायर आएगा.
3b the whole square. So 9b square.
So that will be 9b square.
Square. Three b whole square. So it becomes 9b square. So this side 4a square 9a square इस साइड ले जाते हैं, it becomes 5a square. Same manner में 4b square plus 9b square. So 5b square is equal to 9 minus 4 5. Therefore a square plus b square is equal to 1. और a square plus b square को कैसे लिख सकते हैं हम लोग? Modulus of z. So modulus of z is equal to 1, which is your option A. Clear? Now our fifth chapter is completed. Any other doubts? Till 50, 1 to 50. अगर कोई भी डाउट है तो पूछ लो. कहाँ से? और देखो, एक मिनट. सपोज ऐसा है, स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ x, स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ y. If we are taking square on both sides, so x is equal to y, but 2 root x is equal to root y. If we square on both sides, so 2 becomes 4x and y. So according to this one, यहाँ पे 2 था, कहाँ गया? हाँ ये रहा, यहाँ पे 2 था. So that's why we are taking square. So 4. Okay? हाँ, वो हमने क्या लिया, जैसे आप लोगों ने मिस्टेक, सेम मिस्टेक मैंने की, स्क्वायर ले लिया लेकिन 2 का स्क्वायर रह गया. हाँ, सो जो ये मिस्टेक मेरी हुई है वो सेम रिपीट हो सकती है आप लोगों की, है ना? सो बी केयरफुल. ओके? नो, सो till 1 to 50 you have no doubts. So take a 1-2 minutes break. Till then I saw your marks of last 2 tests. Okay, JEE की marks entry बाकी है, that's why I saw only last 2 test marks. Okay, please take a 2 minutes break and side by side show your marks. This one is your marks. Okay. देख लो अपने मार्क्स. Who is score highest? Which one? Tarvi. Okay, I'll check. I'll check. Okay. Suppose आपकी PDF अगर आपने रिटर्न टेस्ट दिया था, last two Wednesday, chapter 8 and chapter 7. Okay, तो वो देख लेंगे हम लोग. और chapter 7. Okay, send the PDF of both the tests. I'll check it and correct here. ओके ओके जिन जिन यहाँ पे एक है कल का मैम अभी हमारे साथ सिस्टम में नहीं है। सो अगर किसी की भी अगर सप्लीमेंट्री अगर आपने टेस्ट दिया है और मैंने एब्सेंट लिखा है तो प्लीज सेंड योर PDF again to my WhatsApp number. Again, there are number of students who don't send me your number, WhatsApp number. Please right now send me hi and write your name. So that's why I save your numbers and send the supplementaries on this WhatsApp number. Okay. There are number of 49 students. I get only I think 20 around the students ने मुझे भेजा है अब तक. So please send your WhatsApp number. देख लो. तो यहाँ पे अभी भी जितने भी चैप्टर्स है, चैप्टर 7, चैप्टर 8, उसका अभी सॉल्यूशन नहीं भेजेंगे. बाद में जितने भी है उसके जो आपका जो पहले करते थे वैसे करेंगे. ये है ना बहुत हरी में चेक किया है, दैट्स वाई. नेक्स्ट चैप्टर से देखेंगे. योर नेक्स्ट टेस्ट इज चैप्टर 1 to 6 MCQ. चैप्टर 1 to 6 MCQ. देख लो आप एक बार मार्क्स. who's highest score highest? Yes, Valdania 24, Rajastha 24. ओके. फिर 22 ओम पटेल, मनन परीख. ओके, मनन परीख 21, कबीर 22, जय 21, अगेन जयवल 24. Okay, then for 8th chapter, Gunj 24, फिर हीर 21, जयवल 24, कबीर 23, कशिश 24. Who's जयवल? No. ध्रुवीन ने? Okay. So Kashif 24, then after Mahi, Manan Pari 25, Om Patel, OM Om Patel. Okay. और दो और है. Okay. फिर ओम पटेल 25, रुद्र सोलंकी, रुद्र परमार. ओके. रुद्र पटेल 21, तनिषा 23, तपस्या 24, 21. ओके. क्लियर? एनी डाउट? जिसकी भी सप्लीमेंट यहाँ पे एब्सेंट लिखा है तो सेंड द PDF अगेन. ओके, आई विल चेक एंड मेक इट करेक्शन हियर. सो हम डेटा में फिट कर लेंगे. हाँ बोल. ओके. और अगर whenever you got your check supplementary and you have any correction, send the same day. Next day correction acceptable नहीं होगा. मैंने करेक्शन आपको सप्लीमेंट्री दी. जिन जिन लोगों ने मुझे व्हाट्सएप किया है आई सेंड द चेक सप्लीमेंट्री. तो अगर आपको उसमें कोई करेक्शन है तो सेम डे पे आप मुझे भेज दो. गॉट इट? ओके. नाउ okay, got it? Now let's begin with our chapter 6, linear inequalities. Chapter 6, linear inequalities. It's easy chapter, na? Ma'am, I didn't receive my test papers. Okay, you send me a number. Om.
Yes,
ओम,
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
आपने भेजा है
हाँ
व्हाट्सएप नंबर?
हाँ मैम.
फिर से एक बार भेज देना।
ओके.
मैम
हाँ,
मैम मुझे भी नहीं मिली मेरी सप्लीमेंट्रीज.
जिस जिसको नहीं मिली है, अगेन आई विल चेक एंड सेंड इट अगेन। ओके,
ओके मैम.
दिस वन इज फर्स्ट टाइम, दैट्स व्हाई। एक बार मेरा भी हैबिचुअल हो जाएगा। आपके नाम में भी वैसे मुझे 3 ओम है, रुद्र कितने? 3 रुद्र है। सो कुछ मिस्टेक हो गया होगा, सो प्लीज, हाँ, आई विल सेंड अगेन। ओके, send your WhatsApp number again. So I'll send you again. Now, chapter number 6. Chapter 6. Linear inequalities. Don't reply. किसी को भी अगर सप्लीमेंट्री नहीं मिली है, सेंड मी अगेन योर व्हाट्सएप नंबर, और अगर मैंने सेव किया है, से टू हाई एंड टेल योर, राइट योर नेम, आई विल सेंड यू अगेन। ओके, यहाँ पे ऐसा है कि मैम ने भेजी थी मुझे और मैंने चेक की है ना। सो चैप्टर 6, first one, linear inequalities. The least value of x which satisfies the inequalities -3 less than or equal to 4x minus 3 upon 5 less than or equal to 3, less than or equal to 3. कैसे आएगा हमारा? Now first simplify and get your x. So that implies divide the, multiply the whole equation by 5. So your 5 gets cancelled. So minus 15 less than or equal to 4x minus 3 less than or equal to 15. Okay. So now to remove 3. So adding the whole, adding 3 on whole equation. So minus 15 plus 3 less than or equal to 4x minus 3 plus 3 less than or equal to 15 plus 3. That implies minus 12 less than or equal to 4x less than or equal to 18. Divide the whole equation by 4. So minus 3 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 18 by 4. That implies minus 3 less than or equal to x less than or equal to, क्या आ जाएगा यहाँ पर? 9 by 2. 9 by 2. What is your least value? Left hand side. This one is your always least value, minimum value, and this one is your always maximum value. Got it? So your least value is minus 3, which is your option B. Okay. Now, go for second one. Second one, least integral value of x. Least integral. 2x plus 4 plus 3. Greater than 7. Okay, first simplify the left hand side. So, to simplify this, that implies 2x plus 4 plus 3x minus 15 greater than 7. That implies 5x. और ये क्या आ जाएगा? देखो 7, 4 minus 15 minus 11, or minus 11 going to this side, it becomes plus 11 plus 11 plus 7 greater than 18. That implies x is greater than 18 by 5. That implies x is greater than, what is the decimal value of 18 by 5? 3.6. 3.6 ना? 5 3 are 15, 30. So 5 6 are 3.6. So x is equal integral value of x 3.6. So integral of x is greater than क्या आ जाएगा? 4 और 3. 3.6 है तो उसके लिए 4 आएगा है ना? 4. Okay. 4. Yes, Om.
मैं भूलती થઈ ગયેલો.
Okay. Now go for third one. Third one. The least positive integer x, least positive integer x, which satisfy modulus of x minus 2 greater than 7. How to remove modulus from the greater than sign है तो कैसे आएगा? If x mod x is greater than a, that implies x is greater than minus a and x is less than a. Am I correct? Am I correct? Yes, Raj.
मैम मैम એવું નહીં આવે x લેસ देन माइनस एन x ग्रेटर देन a
मैं वही पूछ रही हूँ क्या am I correct? मैंने ऐसा ही
नो
पूछा।
मैम इट इज इनकरेक्ट
क्या आएगा?
मैम x लेस देन माइनस a एंड x ग्रेटर देन a
X.
लेस देन माइनस a
Anyone else? Anyone else to tell? Anyone else? बोलो। मोहन। ओके। तो क्या आएगा? यहाँ पे x is less than minus a और x is greater than a. Suppose you have a mistake. तो आपको कैसे याद रखना है? From the number lines. देखो. From the number lines. Suppose minus a here and plus a here. So whenever so your this one for this one you have to write x is less than minus a, and for this one you have to write x is greater than a. Middle part नहीं आएगा क्योंकि whenever you have a greater sign you write your interval with union. Okay, वो तो पता है ना आपको? Okay. So यहाँ पे कैसे आएगा हमारा? That implies x minus 2 less than minus 7 or x minus 2 greater than 7. That implies x is less than minus 5 or x is greater than 9. What is the least positive integer? क्या पूछा है उन लोगों ने? Positive integer. Least
9.
positive integer, which is 9.
प्लस
Which is
9
plus 9. Your option is A. A. Okay.
मैम shouldn't it be 10?
Why?
मैम अगर 10 હશે તો જ 7 થી ગ્રેટર થશે ને?
Yes.
બાકી તો equal to
यहाँ पे
7 થી.
greater than और equal to नहीं है. क्या है हमारा? Only greater than. Only greater than है. तो ये आ जाएगा हमारा least positive integer is therefore least positive integer is 10. 10 आ जाएगा हमारा. If there is a greater than or equal to sign, then equal to आएगा तब your least integer is 9. But the equal sign is not here. That's why positive integer is 10. Got it? Okay, chal. Now fourth one. Fourth one. Fourth. Find the greatest value of x which satisfies the inequalities. Made a correction. 2 less than or equal to. Less than or equal to. साइड से greater than दिया है. So एक side greater or एक side less, which is not possible. So 2 less than or equal to 11x plus 15 upon 3, which is less than or equal to 5. We want to find out greatest value of x. Greatest value of x. So क्या हो जाएगा? First 3 को remove. So 6 less than or equal to 11x plus 15. Now subtracting the whole equation by 15. So 6 minus 15 minus 9 less than or equal to 11x less than or equal to 0. Correct? Okay. Now divide the whole equation by 11 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 0. What is your greatest value? What is your greatest value? 0.
Yes,
Why
ma'am.
do you- 0
મેમ
plus
મેમ કોઈ મિસ્ટેક થઈ જાય આમાં ક્વેશ્ચનમાં છે ને 2 ગ્રેટર ધેન ઇક્વલ ટુ આપ્યું છે.
तो करेक्ट किया करवाया मैंने. देखो मैंने लेस देन और इक्वल टू लिखा
હા મેમ.
है ना? मेक अ करेक्शन. ओके ओके. व्हाट
યસ મેમ ગોટ ઇટ.
is your option? C. This one is your greatest value. Option is C. Now fifth one. Third one. Okay. Who's telling me? Samarth, unmute yourself. Samarth.
यस मैम.
हाँ, कहाँ समझ में नहीं आया?
મેમ આ છે ને x -2 નો એ મોડ લીધો છે ને પછી is greater than 7 મેમ. એમ તો એટલે ના ખબર પડી એ મોડ વાળું.
ओके ओके. आप बताना. Mod of x less than 2. इसको कैसे लिखते हैं?
x less than 2.
No. If you take any number from the modulus, you get two values, एक plus और एक minus.
यस मैम. यस.
ये पता है ना आपको? Suppose
Yes, ma'am.
mod of x is equal to 2 है, तो you want x is equal to plus or minus 2.
यस
Do you
मैम.
want? Okay. This is working rule for a equal sign. What is the working rule for less than? So minus 2 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 2. This one is working rule for less than sign. What is the rule for greater than or equal to के लिए? तो x is less than or equal to -2 or x is greater than or equal to 2. That means suppose यहाँ पे 2 is replaced with constant number a. This one is your working rule. Samarth,
यस मैम.
I don't understand. Again, I repeat. What is your original working rule? टेक्स्ट बुक में दिया है शायद. टेक्स्ट बुक में दिया है, देखो. हाँ. What is your original working rule? Working rule of modulus. If mod of x is equal to a, that implies x is equal to plus or minus a. Third one, if mod of x less than or equal to a minus x less than or equal to x, less than or equal to A. Third rule, mod of x greater than or equal to A. It becomes x less than or equal to minus A or x greater than or equal to A. Summers.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
This three is our working rule. So
Yes,
यहाँ
ma'am.
पे greater sign है. In third one, there is a greater sign here. Greater
Yes.
sign. So for greater sign, applying third one. So according to this, our third one becomes x minus 2 less than minus 7. X minus 2 becomes greater than 7. And your answer is x greater than 9. They want to list positive integer. There is no equal to sign here. That's why our starting positive integer is 10. If there is an equal to sign, our least positive integer is plus 9. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Samar,
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
clear?
Yes, ma'am. Clear.
Okay. So, fifth one. Fifth one. 0 less than 2x minus 5 upon 2 less than 7. What we want to find? X is an integer. Then sum of the greatest and least value of x. Okay, the first get it our least and greatest value. So multiply the whole equation by 2. So 0 less than 2x minus 5 less than 14. That implies adding 5. So 5 less than 2x less than 14 plus 5. 19. Again, divide the whole equation by 2. So 5 by 2 less than x less than 19 by 2. Don't convert both these in decimal form because you have to add both one. So least value क्या आ गई हमारी? This one is our least value and this one is our greatest value. Greatest value. So adding both one, 5 by 2 plus 19 by 2. That implies ये क्या आ जाएगा? 24 upon 2. So you got 12. You got the same value. But first, here you convert this one is decimal number, then add, then again you got 12. But यहाँ पे क्या किया हमने? The denominators are same. So it is easy to add in both the terms. That's why we are not converting this in decimal form. Okay. Now, sixth one. Sixth one. The minimum value of mod x minus 3 plus 11. What is the minimum value? How to find out? Mod x minus 3. Minimum value find out करनी है. So, what is the minimum value of this bracket? If you take 3 minus 3, 0. 0 से least value कोई भी नहीं मिलेगी आपको. So x minus 3 is समझ में आ रहा है? So the least value of x minus 3 is always greater than 0. Okay. So the least value of x minus 3 is 0. Mod of x, we can write it as we know that modulus of x minus 3 is greater than or equal to 0. If you take 3, you got 0. Therefore, 0 plus 11 is equal to 11. तो क्या पूछा है? Minimum value क्या आ जाएगी आपकी? 11. Got it? So your minimum value is 11. Option B. Okay. Now seventh one. maximum value 23 minus 2x minus 3 plus 3. मैक्सिमम वैल्यू कैसे फाइंड आउट करोगे बताओ? 2x plus 3. अब 2x plus 3 है. 2x plus 3 is always greater than 0. Equal to 0 मिलेगा? नहीं. It is always greater than 0. So 23 minus 0. So again you got 23 option 23. Minimum value क्या आ जाएगी आपकी? D. Minimum value is D. समझ में आ रहा है? 2x plus 3 is always greater than 0. For any value you got 0. दूसरे एक और तरीके से ले सकते 2x इनइक्वालिटीज के फॉर्म में सॉल्व करते हैं. As we know, modulus of 2x plus 3 greater than or equal to 0. Equal to लिख सकते हैं हम लोग. 2x plus 3 equal to 0. x की कौन सी वैल्यू के लिए 0 मिलेगा? जीरो आएगा ही नहीं यार. तो 2x minus equal to suppose greater than कर देते हैं. एक मिनट. That implies suppose minus sign लेते हैं. So 2x plus 3 less than 0. Now adding 23 minus 2x plus 3 less than 0. Sorry, less than 23. तो अब क्या आ जाएगा? आपको पूछा क्या है? मिनिमम वैल्यू ऑफ दिस. You have only option D 23, but you take a 23 with greater than sign or equal to sign. Okay, ये देख लेंगे हम लोग बाद में. 2x plus 3 because x की कोई वैल्यू, कोई एक वैल्यू के लिए if you got your value 0, then you have to write greater than or equal to 0, less than or less than, or your answer is option D, which is 23. समझ में आ रहा है? Okay, so here now we end our session. हाँ, one more thing. आपको जब भी whenever you give any test, first write your name, especially for MCQ. Write your name on first page, then send the PDF. Because in JEE test there are number of students who don't write have उनको ना अपना नाम ही नहीं लिखा है. तो कैसे और कैसे भेजा है? फोटो एंड आफ्टर दैट योर उनका नाम लिख के भेजा है. तो देयर आर नंबर ऑफ सप्लीमेंट्रीज. तो कैसे पता चलेगा किसकी कौन सी है? तो फर्स्ट write your name and then after send the PDF or send the picture. Okay, bye. Now we will meet.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, bye.